if you're just a college, if you're just a college undergrad right now, you haven't graduated, it's very difficult to get courses about product management. Even I'll be very frank, I got to know about product management after I graduated in my first job, and I didn't know about product management at all when I was at Kharagpur. So what you can do is that you just need to have a uh, detailed understanding of how technical product management works. Uh, Detailed understanding of how software development works. Uh, a good example of that is like just pick an app from your phone and just imagine if you were the CEO of that company, how would you go about building that app? So that would encompass things like, let's say if I were to build Twitter, so I would first start by asking what problem does Twitter solve. Then do how many people have this problem, and the third problem I'll then figure out what would I need to solve this problem. And so just pick an app that you like and think you are the CEO of that product, and just start writing down what would you need. So that will give you a good understanding of what a product manager does on a daily basis. It's very, very similar. And the last skill that you need is just good communication. Uh, if you are somebody who is easy to talk to people, you can become a very good product manager. Why am I saying this? Is that nobody actually reports to the product manager. Product manager needs to get work done from designers. They need to get work done from developers. They need to get work done from marketing people, and on ground people. So nobody actually reports to you. You're not boss of anyone there, but you have to get work done from everyone. So you just need to be a good human being to everybody else. They need to see a friend in you, and because you have to make them work for you. So good communication and it just happy attitude helps in general. Apart from that, there are some specific technical skills that you can check. It's just like you can take down a few terms, which is agile product development and what are scrums, how like how product like how engineers develop code. Like they first develop it on a staging server, then they roll it out to production server. Then there are multiple QA steps involved. Then what is the rollout process? These things are available very easily on the internet, and you can just try Google how software development works, and you can just find out more about it. Apart from that, you should be good at approaching a problem. You should be able to break down a problem before coming up with solutions to it. A bad product manager is somebody who jumps onto a solution. A good product manager is who understands more, who dedicates more time understanding a problem, and then takes every possible data point into account, and then comes up with a solution, not jumps on a solution. And oftentimes product managers need to take decisions when there's insufficient data, especially in smaller setups. When you're working in a smaller company, you wouldn't have a lot of data, and you are still expected to make a decision. So you need to have some gut feeling with you as well when it comes to decision making. I'm not saying it's a skill that you need to have, but you need to have reasonable confidence in what you're doing. So confidence in something is also that helps.